Hi all, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Let's start rebooting work using UiPath. In today's session, we are going to discuss about storage bucket. First, let me know what mean by storage bucket, how it works. So basically, storage bucket, it's a storage area where we can store our documentation which is related to the process. So for an example, if you're working on a particular process, okay, you have a PDD and a SDD documents, right, which is process definition document and solution design document, or like something document which is related to the process. Okay, those things usually what actually we'll be doing. So we'll be storing which is in folders, correct? So if you need a copy in a online forum, so which is like a Orchestrator, so how you can do that? So with the help of storage bucket, you can store your document in the storage buckets. So how storage bucket works? So let me quickly go to the Orchestrator. So this will be our home UI, and you can see something called a storage bucket, correct? So just click on this one. Okay, soon after once you clicked on this, so it will be asking like add storage bucket, correct? So this add storage bucket will help you to create a storage bucket where you can store your documentation. It may be like a PDF or Word document or text file, you can store over here. Okay, so just click on add storage bucket so that you can have an option called as create a new storage bucket. Just click on this. Okay, so there are three service providers for the storage buckets. One is UiPath, which is Orchestrator, which is provided with the UiPath Orchestrator. Another one is Azure Storage. Another one is AWS3. So these two are paid services, and this is a from which is provided from UiPath. So this is a free of cost. So what actually I will be doing now? So I'll just make a name for this particular. Okay, so I have a test data. So I'll just have this. So just give the name. Okay, just give the name and the description. I have wrote it already. Okay, to avoid like much time on this. Okay, just I have just given description and the name of the storage bucket. Then just click on add. Okay, so in this way you may be creating a storage bucket. Okay, so if you want to upload your document, so it can be either in two ways. Okay, let me show in the both ways actually. So let's just click on this hyperlink. So once I clicked on storage bucket, so in this employee list, I can see this actually, right? So if you want to upload your file, okay, just click on upload new files, okay, and you can select your PDD document, SDD document, or process related this files you can upload over here. Okay, just click on browse, and you can select your particular file and you can add over here. Okay, so is the way to add the document. Okay, is the one more way. So let me show you another way, okay, which is more useful for you. So you can upload those data from the studio. Okay, so how? Let me go to the UiPath Studio. So already I have created a process and sequence in the name of storage bucket. Just go to the activity panel, storage. Okay, right? So here you can see something called as upload to storage bucket. So upload storage file, right? So you have to pass the parameter so that you can upload any kind of file into the like storage bucket. So let me give the storage bucket name. So which you have seen here, storage bucket name. Just copy this. Okay. Just provide the path and the path. Okay. So what is the path actually? So what is the path you have to document? You have to upload it into the storage bucket. So you have to provide that path over here. So I have created some sample files. Just go to the open the folder. Okay. So inside data input, I have created a file. Okay, here. So which is emp text. So it has employee details, just employee names. Okay, that's it. So what I was going to do, I was just going to upload this data into the studio. Okay, just right click, shift right click, and copy as path. Okay, copy as path. Just go here, provide your path. Perfect. And the destination. So what is mean by destination? So inside this storage bucket, what the particular file name should be. So you can decide that. Okay. So it can be anything. So let me keep it as simple, the same as storage bucket name or like employee details. Okay. Okay. Just save this one and then debug. So what actually it will do, it will upload this text file to the storage bucket Okay, in the storage bucket name employee list, in the name of file emp details. Okay, let me wait for a second. I hope the script got ran now. Okay, perfect. Just go to the like storage bucket, just click on refresh. Okay, perfect. You can see something called as employee details, which has the total employee names, which you have seen in the text file. Okay, so you can download here, right? So you can click on download. If you want this particular file need to be downloaded and to be placed somewhere, you can click download. Okay, so you can click download and store somewhere. Okay, you can just store somewhere. Employee details. What I will do, I'll just go to the, I'll just show you that the same file has been uploaded. Okay, so right click and then open with notepad file. See, this is the data which I added, right? Perfect. So the what are the next operation we are going to perform now? The next action we are going to perform is once you're done uploading bucket, then you can do with reading the data from the storage. Okay, from the storage we are not going to download, we are going to read the data which is in the storage. Okay, so you can provide the path. Okay, so what is here the path is means the like storage bucket path. Why I was meant to storage bucket path? So we are going to read the data which is in storage bucket only, right? So this read text is particularly used for to read the data which is in storage bucket. Okay, so then path, just double quotes, just provide this name and the storage bucket name, just copy and paste over here. Just make a control K and output data. Just name the output data, anything. Okay, control K, output data. Copy this variable, okay. To avoid the duplicacy of uploading, just comment out this one, save it. So you have to see somewhere, right, the data. So just drag a right line, use output, save this one and run this. So what actually we are doing? So we are just trying to read the data which is in the storage bucket. Okay, so that is the thing which we are trying to do now. Okay, so we just so that we have provided the path of the storage and the storage bucket name. So we have provided the both the things. Okay, so I guess you can see here, right? So you can see the data which is in that particular storage file. Okay, so for this what we are given as requirement, the full path. Okay, you can see something called as full path, right? So we have just provided the full path as well as the bucket name, storage bucket name, which is where it has been stored. So we have provided both the things. So and then so the next activity, let me search here. Okay, we can try to download this now. Okay, so as I showed you how to download manually, let me try to download in this way from the studio. Okay, with the command of studio. Just comment out this one. Just comment out this one too. Okay. So you have to provide the path. So storage and then destination. Destination will be your folder path where you have to store this particular file. Okay. So we can provide. Just go here. Just provide the full path. Okay. Paste it. And the storage bucket name you can copy from here, I guess. Otherwise, you have to go back and you have to copy that. Just copy here from here itself. And the destination, you have to give the path where this particular has been need to be stored. Okay, destination path. So for that, just go to the project. So open this folder. Inside the data, I have created something called as output data. Okay. So just give this path. Oh here, double quotes for this path, and what the the text file need to be downloaded and named as what should be it named as? It should be named as emp data. Okay, let me make it as emp data. So sorry, emp details dot txt. Okay, we need to download this as txt file. Okay, so we have what we have done. So we have given the path where the file has been. Okay, storage bucket path as well as the storage bucket name and the folder path where it need to be downloaded and stored. Okay, in your local machine. So just click on save and then debug. So our execution started running now. Looks like our script ran perfectly. Okay, let me check that. Go to the project panel, click on folders. Okay, go to the data. Inside output data, it should have text file. Correct. It has EMP data and it has the data as well. Perfect, right? So we have made a upload and then read and then download. So one more thing you can check over here. Okay. So if you are wrongly uploaded something using the upload activity, you have wrongly uploaded something. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to delete in the particular storage name. You have uploaded the wrong files. Okay. So in those cases, what we can do? So you can just provide the storage bucket path as well as the storage bucket name so that the file can be deleted. Okay. So just copy this one and then path, double quotes, and the storage bucket name. You can copy, or else I will do now. Just go here. Okay. And then copy this one, storage bucket name, go to studio back, go here, double quotes, copy. Okay, perfect. Just save this and then just debug this one. Okay, so that like your file will be get deleted now. So we can check here now. So we can click on the EMP details. So it will be deleted now. So let me check now. Okay, perfect. So it started. So I hope our script got ran now. Perfect. Okay, let me go here. Just click on refresh. Okay, your file got deleted now, right? So using that delete storage file activity, you have deleted the files. Okay, so these are like the few actions which is list storage, and then so which is write storage. We can see in the next session. I hope you have got an idea. So what is storage bucket? How like why it has been used, and what are the types of services which is provided in the storage bucket. So yeah, just try to explore on this one so that you will get a good idea. Thanks for watching. Happy learning. Have a good day.